This is Luna One, and even though it's already one of our most popular selling products, we took the last year and a half to collect as much feedback as we could from Luna One users to find out exactly how we can improve the product and make it even better. So today I'm introducing to you Luna One 2.0. I'm going to explain to you exactly what it is, what makes it different, and a refresher on how to use it. Let's get started. So Luna One is a single stage 2K direct to surface aerosol. That means it does the job of an adhesion promoter, a primer, a base color, and a clear coat all in one simple can. This saves you a ton of time and a ton of money, and it's definitely changed the way that people paint. Again, it's one of the most popular products that we have at DipYourCar.com. But as we continue to collect feedback from everybody over the last year and a half, three things came up more than anything else. So let me first say, the original configuration of Luna One was very cool. We were very happy with it. But that configuration definitely put some restrictions on our ability to address some of these three issues that people were having. The very first thing was the way that the product catalyzed. So Luna One, the original, did not have anything at the bottom to release any activator. It kept part A and part B separate, and after you sprayed it, it would use the climate and the humidity to actually catalyze. And for some users in some climates that worked just fine, and in other climates it was way too slow. So we had a lot of customers calling back in and saying, look, it's not dust free soon enough, it's not finger slick soon enough, so it's collecting a lot of things on the surface. Some people would call the next morning and say, I sprayed my product yesterday and it's still tacky today. Is there anything I can do to speed this up? I need to reassemble. So we wanted to massively speed this product up. So we went in a completely different direction, a different configuration, and now we actually have a unit at the bottom of the can where you're going to be able to put in a ring, you'll be able to pull that ring and twist it and actually release the activator inside the can. Now the one trade-off to the entire Luna One 2.0 is that after you engage the can and start using it, it's got about a 24-hour pot life. The original product had a much longer pot life. It was supposed to be somewhere around 6 months or so, but we found that timing to be rather inconsistent. It would last a little bit longer for some people and some not so much. So that being kind of the lowest on the totem pole as the value of the product, we put that aside so that we can clear the way to address all these other issues. So with Luna One 2.0, you're engaging the activator, you're telling the product, I'm ready to use it, you're shaking it up, and the dry times and cure times are much faster. You're going to see finger slick and dust free in 20 to 25 minutes. You're going to see handleable in just a couple hours. So when you wake up the next morning, you will be ready to utilize whatever you painted, reassemble, and a lot of people, time is money. So this is a huge deal. The second piece of feedback that we got, and we got it all the time, was the restriction of colors. With the old Luna One configuration, we were not able to offer you guys metallic colors. And let's face it, the majority of people are using this product on small surfaces like trim and mirror caps, but a ton of you guys are using it on wheels. And we need metallic colors for wheels. I want a silver, I want a dark metallic gray, I want a gold and a bronze, and we were never going to be able to offer that to you guys with the old configuration. So with Luna One 2.0, we can now make, and I've already started testing, metallic colors. So you should see at least 3 new metallic colors launch here in 2026, and we are extremely excited for that. So the final thing we wanted to address was UV resistance. Now, while most Luna One customers didn't have any problems with UV, there were some users in more extreme climates like Arizona or Texas where when they sprayed a horizontal surface, over time they would see a loss of gloss and a loss of richness in color, and that's just completely unacceptable. So when we knew we were reformulating with Luna One 2.0, we put UV resistance at the top of the list alongside all the other attributes, and I can tell you that the lab testing's been done, the QUV testing's been done, and Luna One 2.0 is drastically better when it comes to UV resistance, maybe even overkill. But if we had an issue, even if it was isolated to a small group, we wanted to eliminate that issue across the board. When it comes to applying Luna One 2.0, I'm very happy to say that it's the same process step by step. When you're spraying something like a wheel, you're going to scuff the entire surface. You're gonna wipe it thoroughly down with isopropyl alcohol. And then when it comes to spraying, you're going to do one light coat, you're gonna do one medium coat, about 75% coverage, and then you're gonna do one fully wet coat. It's gonna be about 3 to 5 minutes in between each coat, depending on your temperature. It's very straightforward, very simple. We spent a lot of time with the leveling of this product. If you spray it correctly, a light coat, a medium, and a nice full wet, it is going to look like glass. It levels beautifully. So all in all, we're just super excited to be able to launch this product for you. As of right now, it does come in a high gloss black and a satin black, just like before, but like I said, we've already got 3 new colors in the works that should be coming out here in 2026. The product's available in individual cans, trim kits, and wheel kits directly at DipYourCar.com. If you have any questions at all about your project, don't hesitate, call in. We love talking to you guys about what you're working on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy Luna 1 2.0. I'll see you on the next video.